Nope, that's not an AI-generated photo or a deepfake. Hindi yan kagaya ng obviously deepfake propaganda ng mga DDS, yung polvoron video di umano ni PBBM na pinakalat ng grupo ng mga DDS alpoterang sina Harry Roque at Claire Eden Contreras aka Maharlika, kung saan napahiya ang mga pambansang kontrabida sa international media.
A video allegedly depicting Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. engaging in what looks like drug use has sparked widespread controversy and outrage. According to the Department of National Defense, supporters of former President Rodrigo Duterte released the deepfake video just before President Marcos was scheduled to hold the State of the Nation address on Monday. The Filipino Defense Secretary quickly moved to reassure the public, emphasizing that the military remains steadfast in its support of the president.
Now, balik tayo sa nakakatawang photo na ito. That's real. Vice President Sara Duterte dressed as Snow White for this year's Halloween. At hindi lang siya nag-cosplay for a selfie or photo op with her DDS trolls. Nag-TikTok dance pa talaga ang gaga. Kasama pa ang mga aglipayan tropa niya, si Abnormalificent or Translificent dahil mukhang Tranelia si Lola at isa pang babaitang salimpusa. At yan, hataw sayaw talaga ang mga hinayupak sa isang popular song ni Taylor Swift. Pero we're not gonna play that song due to copyright reasons. Pero ang siste, maraming malilikot ang utak at mapanghusgang netizens ang nagtatanong bakit daw Snow White at hindi Princess Fiona ng Shrek ang napiling theme ni Fiona Sara Duterte for this year's Halloween. At eto pa, bakit daw mukhang busog dyan si Snow White at wala ang kanyang 7 dwarfs? At ang sagot ng mga netizens, kinain daw niya yung mga 7 dwarfs. Mga hinayupak talaga. Oops, enough na kasi baka matrigger na naman ang mga laging bad trip na kampon nilang DDS at baka magbanta na naman sila. Pero actually, mas okay na yan.
Hindi ko naman gusto itong ginagawa ko eh. Ang ina ninyong lahat.
Kesa naman sa nagwawala at nagbabanta ang ating vice-presidente, nakakahiya sa global media. Yun lang, have a good day.